Looking for precise and reliable kitchen tools? A Best cooking thermometer is essential for perfectly cooked meals every time. Whether grilling, baking, or roasting, it ensures your food reaches the ideal temperature for safety and flavor. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. ThermoMaven Cooking Thermometer. The ThermoMaven Cooking Thermometer stands out as an advanced, feature-rich device designed to provide precise temperature monitoring with unparalleled convenience. Unlike many wireless cooking thermometers that require constant connection to an app, the ThermoMaven P2 comes with a smart display base that shows real-time temperature readings and lets users set target temperatures directly on the device. This intuitive approach combines the benefits of on-device control with the optional use of a smart app, offering flexibility for different user preferences. One of the P2's biggest strengths is its unlimited range via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, surpassing typical Bluetooth-only models. This means you can monitor your food's progress from virtually anywhere without worrying about signal dropouts or limited distance. The device also offers 100% wireless freedom, linking the base to the probes via long-range Bluetooth, allowing easy movement around your cooking space without tangled wires. The ThermoMaven is impressively accurate, with 6 sensors, including 5 internal and 1 external, certified by NIST, delivering plus-minus 0.5 degrees F precision and a frying resolution of 0.01 degrees F. This high degree of accuracy helps ensure your meats and other dishes are cooked perfectly every time. It also comes with 2 ultra-thin probes, letting you monitor 2 different foods simultaneously, while preserving their juices and integrity. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the IPX8 waterproof rating, meaning you can safely wash the probes in the dishwasher without worry. Additionally, the thermometer supports high-temperature grilling, tracking both internal meat temperature up to 221 degrees F and ambient cooking temperature up to 752 degrees F, enabling precise control even during searing or smoking. For home cooks and grill masters who want advanced features, wireless convenience, and pinpoint accuracy, the ThermoMaven Cooking Thermometer is an excellent choice. Number 2. ThermoPro TP829 Cooking Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP829 Cooking Thermometer is designed for barbecue lovers who want reliability and simplicity wrapped in one package. This wireless smoker thermometer uses advanced RF technology instead of Bluetooth, offering a more stable and longer connection range, up to 1,000 feet, so you can move freely around your yard or home without worrying about signal dropouts or limited distance. The device features 4 color-coded probes, allowing you to track temperatures for up to 4 different meats or cooking zones simultaneously. The clear color coding helps eliminate confusion and ensures organized cooking. Moreover, it comes preloaded with 10 USDA recommended temperature presets in various doneness levels, taking the guesswork out of grilling or smoking. The smart alarm system notifies you with beeps and flashing lights as your food approaches the target temperature, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. The thermometer's large backlit display provides easy-to-read current and target temperatures for all 4 probes, allowing you to keep track without constantly checking your phone or device.
Number 3. ThermoPro TP420 Cooking Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP420 Cooking Thermometer offers a versatile 2-in-1 solution, combining a digital meat thermometer with an infrared IR temperature gun, making it ideal for both internal and surface temperature measurements. This feature is especially useful for cooking tasks like grilling, baking, frying, and candy making, where knowing both the internal temperature of the food and the surface heat of your cooking equipment matters. The TP420's fast and highly accurate probe measures internal food temperatures with plus or minus 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit precision in just 2 to 3 seconds. Its wide measuring range from negative 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit covers nearly any culinary or household application. The IR sensor allows for safe, contactless temperature checks of services like griddles, grills, pizza ovens, or even household appliances. It features a distance-to-spot ratio of 12:1 and a response time under 500 milliseconds, enabling quick and accurate readings from a safe distance. The thermometer can also display max, min, and AVG temperatures, giving cooks full control over their cooking environment. Made with a stainless steel probe, it's designed to withstand the rigors of grilling, baking, and deep frying, while the infrared function adds flexibility for tasks beyond the kitchen, such as checking pool or engine temperatures. Its compact and portable design makes it more convenient than bulky IR guns. For those seeking a multifunctional and quick response thermometer that delivers both internal and surface temperature readings with professional accuracy, the ThermoPro TP420 is an excellent all-around cooking companion. Number 4. Typhur Sync Gold Cooking Thermometer. The Typhur Sync Gold Cooking Thermometer is a premium wireless grilling tool designed to elevate outdoor cooking experiences with cutting-edge technology and convenience. Packaged beautifully, it also makes a perfect gift for barbecue enthusiasts and serious cooks who appreciate precision. The Sync Gold stands out by utilizing sub-1 GHz wireless technology, which offers a signal strength up to 10 times stronger than typical Bluetooth thermometers. This ensures a reliable connection that can transmit through thick walls, Kamado grills, smokers, and Dutch ovens, providing uninterrupted monitoring even in challenging conditions. This smart base enables users to read temperatures and set alerts directly on the device that work together with an intelligent algorithm to provide exceptionally accurate temperature readings and predict when your dish will reach perfection. With response time as fast as 0.5 seconds and an accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit, the Sync Gold guarantees consistently perfect cooking results. Its signal range, speed, and accuracy make it a top-tier choice for grillers who want real-time, precise control over their meats. Overall, the Typhur Sync Gold Cooking Thermometer is a highly reliable, technologically advanced device that delivers professional-grade monitoring with the convenience of wireless freedom and smart connectivity.
Number 5. Typhur Cooking Thermometer. The Typhur Cooking Thermometer InstaProbe Core sets the standard for instant read meat thermometers with its exceptional accuracy and fast response time. Designed for precision, it delivers temperature readings in just 0.5 seconds, allowing cooks to make quick decisions and achieve perfect results when grilling steaks, simmering soups, or baking desserts. It is NIST certified to guarantee an impressive plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy, ensuring you never undercook or overcook your food. The thermometer is thoughtfully designed to enhance the user experience, featuring an external temperature control button and a designated probe storage slot. Included with the InstaProbe Core are 2 AAA batteries, a user manual, a generous 10-year warranty, and lifetime customer support, providing peace of mind for long-term use. For cooks who value speed, accuracy, durability, and intuitive design in a compact package, the Typhur Cooking Thermometer InstaProbe Core is an excellent choice that combines professional performance with everyday convenience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.